it.
You mean a front flip?
Yeah. Can you get put it on the bed?
Let's go.
No.
The baby grab it.
Bit. Up. Up. It's gonna go. Oh, no. Yeah. Push.
Walker loves to get into our pantry that doesn't have doors on it anymore because the doors broke off. So he likes to get himself some snacks sometimes, like this garlic parmesan mix, for instance, and Cheez-Its, even though he can't really have Cheez-Its because it's got dairy in it. And then during that whole process, he wanted to rearrange the diapers for me. It was so very helpful. Very kind and generous of him. So, let's pick that up. This is and isn't that big of a deal, really. It's just I have to do it almost every day with lots of different things that he loves to get into and make a mess of. And he does this while I'm prepping lunch, or I'm answering a phone call from somebody, doing something on the computer real fast, and it just becomes a lot for me sometimes. Here, look, come here.
Nancy, you have a marker?
Do I have
Yeah, just one. Where they at? In here? Where'd you get that?
I bought it last night. I put these two together. It's actually really good.
That
Yeah,
poppy
if you
stuff's pretty good.
If you want to get a straw out of there, I'm trying. What do you need it for?
You know the pegboard where the red containers with the bolts are? I just want to write on it, like so we know. Because we're going to redo them. And they have plates.
I would use brown, then otherwise if they're out in the office, a black Sharpie is.
Or red. Red would be bright, right?
Well, that's not a Sharpie,
it's not
it's
a
a
Sharpie.
dry erase marker.
Where's your straw?
Right here. Oh, there. Briggs must have taken it. Oh. Let me just get a spoon. Oh, here's a big fat one.
Wow.
It's refreshing.
Wow. Very
It's
good.
hydrating and refreshing.
Huh. Boom! Hey!
Lunch is going to be a little bit later today because the grill is just
Come here.
barely getting to temper.
Hi, baby boo. You don't remember? There we go. I did, man. I miss you lots. Boy, you're getting so big.
I know when my daughter bought their house, their first house or second house. Oh, wow. You should get extra points for that, huh?
Yeah, they get a point from that.
Yeah.
What one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who is that?
I told him, I said, she was gonna make turkey burgers, but she got her turkey out, and that was not any good.
Yeah, that's Mama. You hear it,
Isn't
Mom?
that what you said on that video?
Oh yeah, it went rancid.
Who's that? Who's that?
Peggy. Mr. Peggy.
Mr. Peggy to you.
Where's Jack and Peggy's?
Those are your guys's. This is Peggy's. Peggy, how much do you want?
Not that much.
Okay.
Down here. You want to dump your food, boy.
Here you go, Peggy.
Ah,
This one?
can't pronounce your name.
Not Jack's. He has to get his own.
Which one am I?
This one. This
You
one.
heard that, didn't you, Bob?
Oh, yours is. Where did,
No.
yours is already over there.
We have one.
We just stained this. This is the pier that goes out by our boat ramp and at the beach. And last year we replaced all the boards because there were a few boards that we had replaced our first year we took over, and then we had to replace boards last year. So we are staining it this year just to give it more protection. I think I know where he's going to take it. We have been having issues with people using our boat ramp and not paying for it, but we've also shut our boat ramp off because we don't have parking for it anymore. We don't want people parking in the grass down there, especially during the summer, because that's for parking for our seasonals. But also we have noticed that people who just pay to use the boat ramp don't really care about taking care of our property while they are on it. So we have just unfortunately shut down our boat ramp to all the public unless you are camping here, because then we can monitor it and you have a designated area for the parking of their boat or their trailer, and their truck or whatever they're using. So I suggested that Brent put the dumpsters in front of the driveway for the campground entrance, but since we needed to repair the piers and do a little bit of work, I'm guessing that is why he brought them up here, because they would usually sit right down there in that area when we would pull them out for the winter. Just gonna let you guys know, Brent is really good with using heavy equipment machinery.